Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're recovering from a knee injury or surgery, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through the fundamental exercises to help you regain your range of motion and strength safely. Let's get started on your recovery journey. First up, we have heel slides. Lie comfortably on your back. Now, slowly and gently slide the heel of your affected leg towards your bottom, bending your knee as much as you can without pain. Feel that gentle stretch. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly slide your heel back down to the starting position. Great job. Next, we'll do some straight leg raises while still lying on your back. Keep your recovering leg straight. Tighten your thigh muscle and slowly lift your leg about 6 inches off the floor. Hold it there for about 5 seconds, then slowly lower it back down. Remember, consistency is key, but always listen to your body. Don't push through sharp pain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.